In this video, we will learn how to fetch the open positions in the portfolio, and also learn how to exit them. To fetch the open positions data, we call the get_all_positions function, without any parameter. This function will return account values, the positions, the open orders, and other critical information. Please refer to the output screen to verify the result. Next, let us learn how to fetch the open positions of the entire portfolio. To do this, you will have to use the positions_value property. For example, if you want to pull the data of your entire portfolio, then your code would be to check the net portfolio value, to check the positions in the portfolio, to check the net cash available in the portfolio. Please refer to the output screen to verify the result. Now let us learn how to close all the open positions across the entire portfolio. To close all open positions, we use the function close_all_positions. Please refer to the output screen to verify the result. In this video, we learned how to fetch and exit open positions in a portfolio. In the next video, we will learn how to code a simple moving average crossover strategy.